How to fix TikTok, please try again or log in with a different method. So if you are trying to log into your TikTok account and if you're facing a problem with that, then first you need to check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection or if you're facing a problem with the connection, then you can simply switch to your mobile data if you're using your Wi-Fi, or if you're using your mobile data, then you can switch to Wi-Fi. And once you've done that, now you can simply open up your settings and go for apps and go for see all apps, and you can search for TikTok and open up your TikTok on your settings, and then go for storage and cache and go for clear cache. And once you clear your cache, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, remove that and then go for your Play Store and go for the search bar and search for TikTok. And once you've searched, here under the open button, if you have an update option, then you can simply go for update and update your TikTok application. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply tap on uninstall, which is on the left side, and after uninstalling, you can again install the application, and again after installing, you can log into your account. So that's it. After this, your problem might be fixed. So that's how you fix your TikTok. Please try again or log in with a different method. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.